Okay, so I'm going to show you the process of how I was able to color my wood. I use blue glitter air spray or can spray, yeah, to cover the wood. I wouldn't advise y'all to do that because it took so long to dry. And next, if I ever decide to use a can spray, I will do it outside because it's very toxic, the fumes. So that's the only thing I didn't like about it. I didn't realize it was gonna take that long to dry. I thought it would be easier. And you know what? The can spray didn't even last that long. I used out all that can spray just to color the wood, the glitter one, so it wasn't even enough. So I had to end up painting it because I ran out of that color of that can spray. So it's better to just paint it. It dries quicker and is faster. So, and what you could do is you could just paint over it and like I'm doing right now, just apply the glitter to it. And it's just quicker and a lot easier to do, you know? So that's what I did. Okay, in this part, I'm going to be adding a gloss to it because I want it super shiny and some rhinestones. But the rhinestones, you can't even see it because they're very small and it almost look like the same texture as the wood stick. So it's like you're not going to really notice it. So I wouldn't recommend doing the rhinestones unless you want to get some bigger ones that people could see. But yeah, I applied gloss on it because I want it to be really shiny and it holds the rhinestones pretty well, but it take forever to dry. So it will take like a whole day. So I wouldn't recommend using a can spray um, or the rhinestones. Just color it like you see me doing in the video and add some glitter the old fashioned way. Okay. Alright, so thank you for watching and I'll see y'all later soon. Bye.